Welcome to the AI Opus, or as we like to call it, Teo. Hi everyone, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike. It's great to be here with you, Sarah. We've got a lot to cover today in the world of AI, so let's dive right in.
Absolutely, Mike. Let's start with some exciting news from Google. They've introduced native image output in their Gemini 2.0 Flash. This means realistic image generation, conversational image editing, and advanced text rendering are now possible via Google AI Studio and the Gemini API.
Wow, that sounds impressive. So does this mean we can expect more advanced image creation and editing tools from Google?
Exactly, Mike. It's all about making image generation more integrated and user-friendly. Plus, they've also launched a feature that summarizes YouTube videos just by pasting a link. It's going to make content understanding a lot easier.
That's going to save a lot of time for people who watch tons of videos. Speaking of integration, I heard SUSE is doing something similar with Microsoft, right?
Yes, indeed. SUSE is integrating its security solutions with Microsoft Sentinel. This move is all about enhancing threat detection and response, especially improving Kubernetes security through SUSE Rancher Prime.
Kubernetes security is a big deal these days. So how does this integration help businesses?
It centralizes security operations, making it easier to detect and respond to threats across different platforms. It's particularly beneficial for companies using diverse technology stacks.
Speaking of diverse platforms, what's up with ServiceNow's new release?
ServiceNow has launched the Yokohama platform release. It introduces pre-built AI agents across CRM, HR, IT, and more. They've strengthened it with enhanced data tools and their recent acquisition of Moveworks to boost enterprise productivity.
Sounds like a big leap for ServiceNow. Will this make it easier for businesses to deploy AI solutions?
Absolutely, Mike. The idea is to simplify AI deployment and make it more accessible across different departments within an organization.
Nice. And what's the latest with Optra?
Optra, launched by Flipkart co-founder Binny Bansal, is helping consumer brands expand across Asia using a franchising model. They're leveraging both e-commerce and offline channels to accelerate brand growth beyond fashion and lifestyle.
That's a smart approach, especially in such a diverse market like Asia. What about Omnia and their latest move?
Omnia has acquired AR startup SpotQuick to enhance its spatial computing offerings. This acquisition is set to boost their portfolio with headset-focused AR technology, targeting markets like Tesla and emerging regions such as India.
AR is definitely becoming more mainstream. Now, what's happening in the investment world, especially with Bessemer Venture Partners?
Bessemer Venture Partners has launched a $350 million fund targeting early-stage investments in India, focusing on sectors like AI, SaaS, and fintech. They're capitalizing on India's growing digital infrastructure.
That's a significant investment. It seems like a lot of companies are eyeing India's market potential. Speaking of potential, what's Intel up to?
Intel has named Lip-Bu Tan as its new CEO. This leadership shift is pivotal as Intel aims to overcome past challenges and strengthen its position in the competitive semiconductor landscape.
A new CEO can definitely bring fresh perspectives. And I heard Infosys founder had some interesting thoughts on AI in India.
Yes, N.R. Narayanamurthy cautioned against the AI hype in India, pointing out that many so-called AI solutions are just rebranded conventional software. He urges entrepreneurs to pursue genuine innovation.
It's always good to have a reality check. What's Syneric Global doing in Hyderabad?
Syneric Global has inaugurated an AI-first global capability center in Hyderabad with a 50 crore investment. They also launched their next-gen AI platform, Xerix, as part of their expansion strategy.
That sounds like a major development for their AI initiatives. What's SBI up to in terms of project financing?
SBI is setting up a dedicated center of excellence to boost project financing for emerging sectors like AI, e-commerce, and fintech, aiming to expand their lending beyond traditional infrastructure.
It's interesting to see banks getting more involved in tech sectors. Anything new from Google DeepMind?
Google DeepMind has introduced Gemini Robotics and Gemini Robotics ER. These AI models are built on Gemini 2.0 to improve robots' abilities in tasks like object detection and spatial understanding.
Robotics is really advancing quickly. Now AI for Bharat is doing something cool with languages, right?
Yes, AI for Bharat has rolled out Indic Trans 3 Beta, a multilingual translation model for 22 Indic languages. It's optimized for document-level translation and aims to match leading global systems.
That's a big step for language technology in India. What's happening with Meta in France?
Meta is facing legal action in France, with publishers and authors accusing them of copyright infringement for using protected content to train their AI models without permission.
Legal issues like this are becoming more common as AI develops. What's the latest from Wolf Games?
Wolf Games, co-founded by Elliot Wolf, is launching Public Eye, an AI-driven murder mystery game using news-inspired cases. They've secured $4 million in seed funding for this venture.
That sounds like a fun twist on gaming. What about Pantera and their funding?
Pantera, specializing in automated security validation, secured $60 million in Series D funding. Their platform simulates network attacks to uncover vulnerabilities, driving growth and product enhancements.
Cybersecurity is definitely crucial these days. I heard Onyx is doing something interesting with enterprise search.
Onyx is an open-source enterprise search tool improving internal data discovery. They've raised a $10 million seed round to expand their team and enhance premium features.
Open-source tools are really gaining traction, and Moon Valley launched something new too, right?
Yes, Moon Valley launched Mary, an AI video model generating HD clips. It emphasizes ethical data sourcing and offers control over video elements like camera motion.
That's exciting for video creators. What's Snapchat up to with their AI lenses?
Snapchat introduced its first AI-powered video lenses for Platinum subscribers. These lenses include innovative AR effects like animated animals and floral displays.
AR effects are always fun. I heard there was some controversy with Sakana AI.
Yes, Sakana AI claimed their model, the AI Scientist V2, produced a peer-reviewed scientific publication. However, it was withdrawn due to citation errors and review process issues.
It's good they addressed it quickly. What about Dapper and their new framework?
Dapper launched Dapper Agents, building on their distributed systems runtime. It leverages virtual actors for efficient scaling and state management for AI agents.
That sounds like a useful tool for developers. Browser use is gaining traction too, right?
Yes, browser use, which enhances website accessibility for AI agents, surged in popularity on the Manus platform, significantly increasing its daily downloads.
Accessibility is so important. Anything exciting from NVIDIA?
NVIDIA is kicking off its annual GTC conference, where they're expected to unveil advancements in AI and accelerated computing, including the Blackwell Ultra and Rubin GPU series.
I can't wait to see what they announce. Last but not least, what's Anthropic concerned about?
Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei raised concerns over alleged Chinese espionage targeting U.S. AI companies. He calls for stronger government industry partnerships and enhanced security measures.
It's a crucial topic for the industry. Well, Sarah, that was a whirlwind of AI news.
It sure was, Mike. Thanks for tuning in to TAO, everyone. We hope you enjoyed today's updates and insights.
And don't forget to join us next time for more on the latest in AI and technology. Until then, take care.
Bye, everyone.